In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract the year, month, and day from dates in Power Automate. If you're new to Power Automate or looking to deepen your understanding of date manipulation, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through a straightforward method to achieve just that. We're going to explore how you can break down dates into their key components using some simple actions. Let's dive right in by first setting up a date variable. Here, we'll be initializing a variable to store our input date. This step is essential because it provides us with a reference point from which we can extract specific date elements later on. In Power Automate, we'll go ahead and initiate an initialize variable action. For the variable, we'll choose a name like input date, which makes it identifiable and easy to reference as we move forward. For this tutorial, our variable type will be a string, and we'll assign it a value. In this instance, let's use the date 2025-10-19. Remember, it's crucial to format the date correctly using YMMDD, which helps maintain consistency and avoids errors during data extraction. Next, we move on to extracting the year. To do this, we're going to use the compose action in Power Automate. This action allows us to apply an expression that will sift through the date and fetch the exact part we're interested in. The expression you'll use here is format date time variables input date YI. Essentially, this expression looks at the input date variable and picks out the year portion. If you're following along, you might find this particularly neat because it's a simple, clear-cut way to isolate the year from the rest of the date. After obtaining the year, our natural next step is to extract the month. We continue using the compose action, which remains consistent throughout these steps. For the month, the expression changes slightly to format date time variables input date MM. This tells Power Automate to grab just the month component from our date. Running this step will show you the month in numerical format, helping you identify which part of the year you're looking at, whether it's October or any other month. Finally, we're going to capture the day from our date. The procedure mirrors the previous steps closely. Again, we head back to the compose action. This time, the expression we use is format date time variables input date EDE. In a similar fashion to the year and month expressions, this will extract the day element, allowing you to see exactly which day of the month you're working with. That's it. You've now learned how to break down a date into its fundamental components using Power Automate. By mastering these steps, you can handle dates more effectively in your workflows, making your automations smarter and more precise. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward, and that you'll be able to seamlessly apply what you've learned today to your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.